Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. It's been a minute, but here we are. I'm so sorry for not posting and for not vlogging in the last little while. I've been really busy with school, work, and some personal things, which I go into a little bit later in this vlog. As you guys know, I'm doing a program with the Royal Academy of Dance, and I just handed in one of my projects after this module, and I'm super nervous to get it back, but I needed this extra time to work on it and submit it finally. So I really appreciate you guys being patient. And again, I'm so sorry that I haven't been posting. You guys know I love posting, but I've just not had the time because I've been focusing on school, focusing on work as usual. But I feel like a new person because it is officially spring, even though it's like 1 or 2 degrees as I'm looking outside right now, but at least it's sunny. We had some snowfall a few days ago and it is currently April the 17th, which is just wild to me. Like, how are we still having snowfall in the end of April? But I digress. So I haven't been dancing in a while either. I just have not had the time because I've been sitting at my desk working on my project so much. So having the extra time to move my body and dance has been so nice. And I was so sore after because, again, I have not been dancing consistently like I usually am. But I also stayed up till midnight this night to listen to the new Eternal Sunshine Deluxe by Ariana Grande. I was literally lost for words. It was so stunning. She's such a great singer and songwriter. Wow, that's literally all I could say. Wow. So anyways, I went to Costco to prepare for our big ice storm, and boy oh boy, was it an ice storm. This is the beginning, but guys, we lost power for so many days. This was one of the most catastrophic storms and events I've ever experienced. We lost power, like I said. So I did not vlog for like 7 days in a row. Wow. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. It's been an interesting week to say the least. I have not vlogged all week, and it's not because I was so caught up with schoolwork. Well, it was partially because of that, but also we had this mass power outage. Like, we lost power for so many days. We got it back, thankfully, but some areas where, like, I am in Ontario are still out of power. And we had such weird weather. Because I didn't have power over the entire weekend. I couldn't vlog because I needed to keep my phone battery up, and I barely had any service. No Wi-Fi, obviously, so that was a week. But here we are. It is Friday. Tomorrow morning, I'm waking up bright and early for a dance competition. The first one of the season, technically. Actually, the second. The first one we did was like a live critique, but this one's a competition. So it's the first competition where it's like a traditional competition, because the last one we went to was the live critique, where the dancers did their dance and then they had the judges sit in front of them and give them the critique again live, like in real time. They'd be like, oh, during this part, make sure you blah 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 blah, and they gave them feedback right then and there. Whereas traditionally dance competitions, you don't get the feedback till the following week or weeks after, but you do get placement as well. Like, you get placed with awards ceremonies. You get like high silver, gold, like all of that jazz. So tomorrow I'm going to that. I'm waking up at like 6 in the morning. My friend Amber is coming over to watch Yellow Jackets. What else is new? I have a bunch of stuff I want to show you guys because A, my mom gave me some stuff, and B, I got some new PR, and it kind of goes hand in hand because I need new makeup brushes. I'm out and she got me some new makeup brushes. So let's do some makeup. It's been a while because, again, I haven't really left the house and like done much because classes have been canceled due to the weather, which it sounds funny to say because it's like gorgeous and sunny. You can see the sun shining right now, but yeah, this week has been crazy, and I apologize in advance for my lack of everything. My lack of posting, my lack of vlogging, my lack of creativity. I'm also preparing for my very last project of, like, I don't want to call it a semester, but this semester kind of. So I'm preparing on that, and my brain is just kind of honestly mush, and I expected school to take a lot, but problem is with me, and I'm learning this as I'm in school, is that I spend a lot of time overanalyzing, overthinking, and I think that's just the perfectionistic side of dance. but I do that with everything. So when I'll have my project done or my draft done, I'll just keep adding things, taking things away, and keep manipulating it and keep doing things to it rather than just let it sit and let it be, because sometimes that's just what the best course of action is to do. So I'm struggling a bit with that currently. That being said, I was kind of forced to not work on it because of obviously the weather. Also, in other news, Ariana Grande's Eternal Sunshine Deluxe dropped last week. I am obsessed. I am so obsessed. I love the movie. I have so many thoughts about it. Firstly, her music is just so ethereal. It's always been so ethereal. She's always had that, I don't know, it gives me like chills to listen to her music. Like when I listen to her vocals, God is a Woman, whenever I see that performance live at the VMAs, I just want to pass out because she's simply so talented and so stunning. So Eternal Sunshine Deluxe was no exception. It was stunning. It was amazing. And the vocals were incredible. The writing was incredible. The production, everything. Plus the video that came with it, the movie. Loved the short film. Also, the blush that I'm going to try out today is this Endless Sunset Flush from Urban Decay. So let's try out, I already tried the shade Fleshed Out. I'm going to try out the shade, I'm feeling like Back Talk today. That's what I'm feeling like. And like I said, I wanted to show you guys some things that I got from my mom. So I'll do that right now because I want to obviously open up the brushes. So first things first, she gave me this from Valentine's Day and the box is so cute. It's like little mermaids. So wholesome, I love it. Mermaid for life. I love it. So firstly in this box, I want to show you the books first because you guys know I love reading. I love books and I love my classics. So she got me this Anne of Green Gables by Lucy Maud Montgomery. I love Lucy Maud Montgomery's Anne of Green Gables. Like I grew up with Anne of Green Gables and this edition is just so beautiful. Like this is so stunning. She also got me Jane Eyre, which is my favorite book of all time. It always has been, it always will be. I love Jane Eyre. I remember reading it the first time and falling in love. I think it's just so beautifully written and I just love Charlotte Bronte. So she got me that. She also got me Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen. I just love classics, honestly. I know I love like my fantasy, my romantasy, but when it comes down to it, these classics are what got me into reading when I was a kid or like when I was in elementary school. I just love them so much. Pride and Prejudice is a good one. And yeah, these are just so gorgeous to add to my collection. We eventually, you can see the bookshelf back there. We eventually just want to put shelvings around, like to make it kind of more of a library look versus just a select bookshelf because I'm running out of space. I have books literally surrounding me. I have Handmaid's Tale, Powerless, like Miss Peregrine's House for something Unpeculiar Children or Particular Children, something like that. But I have a bunch of books everywhere. I need to organize it a little bit better. She also got me this passport cover because I'm going to England in the summer and we just booked our Airbnbs, which I'm really excited about. Yeah, super cute to hold my passport. Oh my gosh, and there's like a little pen too. I love that. So adorable. So yeah, I have this for traveling. She also got me some makeup bags for traveling once again. This one's really cute. I'm gonna organize all my makeup and put it in here. Let's see. Super cute. And let's see what it looks like open. Ooh, it's like a jewelry case, which is gonna be perfect for traveling. I love that. Putting my rings, my earrings, and my bracelets, my watch. That'll be really nice. So I've got that. I've also got this makeup bag. I just love the packaging too. I love the ones that are see-through because you can just see everything that you have there. You don't have to unpack everything and be like, oh my gosh, did I pack my charger? Or did I pack my cable? Or did I pack my earrings or whatever you need? Cute. I love the pink as well. It's so me. It's so me. I love pink. You guys know that. I'm such a girly girl. Love pink. All right, and the last one from Miss Glam is this pink makeup case. I love that her stuff is cruelty-free and vegan as well. This is not sponsored. My mom bought me all this stuff, by the way, but I genuinely love all of these products. But again, this isn't sponsored or anything. This makeup case is going to be so nice for traveling. Again, it's see-through, which I love. See-through cases are just so helpful because again, it's easy to go through security. It's really, really seamless to pack because you know exactly what you've packed because you can see it. So I am very excited to use all of these. So thank you, Mom. Sponsored by Mom. Not sponsored by brands, but sponsored by my mom. She should have her own brand. Mom.com. Okay, and then finally, I got this Marble Glam brush set from my mom. I need to open it still, but I wanted to save opening it to show you guys. When in doubt, use your teeth. Don't use your teeth, actually. That's really bad for your teeth. Don't. Oh, so excited. Love this. Let's see. Cute. Oh, these are gorgeous. The ones that I got previously were pink. And these ones, if I'm correct, marble glam, makes sense. They're all like marble. So let's use this blush brush to try out the Urban Decay Face Bond blush. So pretty. I love these brushes. They're such good quality. They're so good. I bought, or my mom got me the brush set that's pink, and it's really, really nice. I use it all the time. But yeah, I just love the marble ones too. Let's use Back Top, and I'm gonna apply it kind of just like on my cheek. Ooh, it's hard to see in that lighting. Super pretty. I haven't used a powder blush in a hot minute, but it's really pretty. I love powder brushes. Powder blushes. It's really pigmented too. I definitely put too much on, but we'll just blend that out. Keep blending, keep blending. I like to also carry it up to my forehead and the side of my head and my eyeballs too, just to really carry it everywhere, even under my chin. I feel like that's a good amount as well with my hair down. Other than that, I'm just gonna apply some of the blush itself onto my eyelids to kind of like tie the whole piece together. So I'm just gonna use my finger for that actually. It's so pretty as well. I just love the packaging. It's so like, I don't know, Y2K, Barbie, brat-like. If that makes any sense. Here we go. Maybe a bit on my nose too. Why not? Just across there. Oh, that was definitely too much. I'm not a sickie. Okay. I feel like that's good. I feel like that's not too much. But that's all I'm gonna do with makeup, except I will also add on some lip oil. We finally have electricity and a working shower back in the bathroom, which is so nice. So I'm going to, yes, I have corn in my hair. I was going to straighten my hair, but I fear that I will wake up with not straight hair and it will make the point pointless. So we're just going to apply some YSL lip oil right now. I forget what shade this is. This is the Love Shine Plumping Lip Oil Gloss in number 678Y8XX. I don't know, but I love the tint and the glow. And then, like I said, my friend Amber's coming over, so I was gonna like clean up and stuff and edit the vlog, but I do not want to get behind on my homework. So that is taking precedence. I'm going to work on my schoolwork, try to get my first draft done, and then I'll probably clean up a little bit, eat some dinner before she comes over. I don't have my watch on for like the first time in a long time, but I will make dinner and then have her over. And yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna end the vlog here because it depends on if I even have enough footage from this week, because this week I did not vlog whatsoever due to the power outage. So we'll see if we have enough footage to end the vlog here. If not, I'll carry on. See you guys soon, but regardless, thank you so much for watching. Just kidding. One last thing I wanted to show that I got was this Garnier box. Not sure, but I wanted to save it before using it to show you guys. Looks like they sent SPF every day. Well, it is a beautiful sunny day, which is perfect for this. However, I'm not going outside, so I'm going to use this when I do go outside. But what did they give me? Wow, this is a lot. So they gave me the Micellar Cleansing Water. I also got this brightening serum with vitamin C, this UV brightening day cream, these cleansing eco pads, as well as a vitamin E and C brightening night serum, which I'll probably use tonight. But that's so awesome. Wow, they really stocked me up. So thank you, Garnier. And other than that, yeah, that's all I want to share with you guys. My new books, my makeup brushes, life updates. Now I'm going to go